Hi, my name is Emily. I've been riding motorcycles for about 5 years now, and this is my current helmet, and we're upgrading. When I first got this helmet, I thought it was the coolest thing ever because it had, decent ventilation, I thought at the time. A visor that comes down, and you were able to take this up and put goggles in, and then it was also modular, so you could get into it and be able to drink water easier if you have water bottles or whatever. But after 5 years, I've decided this is no longer the best option after holding one of my friend's helmets and realizing how heavy this thing was and how bad my neck felt after riding 100 plus miles on one day. So we've upgraded from the Scorpion 950 to a Klim helmet. Let's open it up. First off in the box, which I like, is that Klim gives you a pin lock. A lot of brands don't do that. This is the lens for the helmet, and it's photochromatic, so I don't need more than one lens, which is nice. Here is the helmet. And I've been wanting a Klim helmet for a few years now, actually, and bit the bullet after my last rally and realizing my neck was too painful. This is the Klim Krios Pro. The nice thing is they've got goggles that will actually fit in here better, and I've got those on order. I'm waiting for those. They haven't shown up yet. So the ventilation on this looks pretty cool. It's got the slide up here, and then up here it pops up there. It's some pretty big exhaust ports too, which is nice to see. This is the magnetic enclosure. I'm not too thrilled about this, but I'm going to see how it is. I may switch it back to just the regular loop enclosure. The cool thing about this also is if you want to take off the wind visor, you don't need tools. You actually just, twist these off. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want to take it off. Then you can basically make this into a dirt bike helmet with your goggles. So that also came with a bag of goodies. It looks like some spare parts. Gives you, I guess, a guarantee. It's, I guess, stuff that goes on a helmet in stores and the documentation and stuff. We can skip all that. But if you don't want to use this, they give you the sides to... I put the right one on, I don't know, go something like that. The helmet is definitely way lighter than my old one here. I'm gonna add in my Cardo to this as well. Yeah, I'm very excited to start using this, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about it later on. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.